Are you a beginner or experienced fisherman looking for a simple kit to improve your fishing experience? Look no further than this kit, available on a Chinese website for a ridiculous $13. This kit comes with a fishing grip and a pair of pliers, both made of aluminum alloy with a total weight of about 300 grams, and conveniently stored in a carrying case. The fishing grip has a maximum capacity of 18 kilograms and can be easily controlled with one hand. The kit also includes a lanyard for hanging it on your belt. According to the seller, these pliers can handle any line, including those made of carbon fiber, and are convenient for manipulating hooks when readjusting baits. If you're an avid winter fisherman, chances are you have a story about a massive fish that got away at the last moment. But out of that frustration came the ingenious Crappie Coffin trap. The concept is simple: drop the trap into the hole, fish as usual, and when a fish bites, pull it into the trap. The fish won't be able to escape, thanks to the trap's 15 to 25 centimeter diameter and locking rod on a strap for depth adjustment. The rubber plastic composite material is flexible even in extreme cold, making it the perfect tool for winter fishing. Even thin, lightweight fishing line won't be a problem. Once you try the Crappie Coffin trap, you won't want to fish without it. The manufacturer sets the price at $45. In our previous videos, we've showcased various types of drones such as military drones, delivery drones, and rescue drones. However, we haven't yet explored the potential of drones for fishermen. Let's make amends and take a look at the AguaDrone. This drone is perfect for fishing as it can land and take off from the water, thanks to its watertight casing. It can even withstand salt water. With its sonar, it can easily detect fish at depths of up to 40 meters, transmitting data via Wi-Fi up to 90 meters. The drone also has a remote control payload pod, capable of holding about a kilogram of bait. Additionally, the modular system allows for other options, like the Aqua Data Module, which analyzes water based on various parameters like pH levels. According to its designers, the AguaDrone is a combination of common sense and modern technology, priced at $7,100. Introducing the ultimate bait boat equipped with advanced features that outshine any real boat. With enough space to carry up to 3 kilograms of bait, this boat is fitted with the Parrot's navigation system, sonar, and echo sounder, which works up to 300 meters away. The accompanying user-friendly app lets you configure settings and set baiting points, leaving the boat to do the rest. You can even monitor progress and view data from your smartphone. Plus, the 13,400 mAh battery ensures over 3 hours of work. Share your success and connect with fellow fishermen through the social network within the app. The boat weighs just 5.4 kilograms and retails at $1,800. Get your hands on this bait boat and experience fishing like never before. If you're an avid ice fisherman or hunter, you know how important it is to have the right equipment to navigate tough terrain. Look no further than this all-terrain vehicle, designed specifically for your needs. This vehicle doesn't reinvent the wheel, quite literally, it's a flat-bottom boat on wheels, with a 26.5 horsepower engine and a fuel capacity of 19 liters. It can handle snow, ice, mud, and open water with ease, thanks to its adjustable ground clearance and insulated floor. And if you need to do some fishing, it's got you covered with 4 fishing holes with a diameter of 25 centimeters. The 2022 version is available now for $26,000, so you can hit the ice or the trails with confidence. Are you looking for a winter fishing tent that will leave everyone amazed? Look no further than the Eskimo Inferno. This tent is not only functional, but also fun with its built-in sled. With a bottom area of 1.4 square meters and a height of 1.5 meters, there's plenty of room for both you and your fishing gear. And for extreme conditions, the tent comes in a 4-layer Storm Shield 900 Den fabric. The zippers are top of the line, made by the Japanese YKK group, ensuring that they won't fail you. At 28 kilograms, this tent is a bit heavy, but its features more than justify the price of $550. Don't settle for an ordinary tent. Upgrade to the Eskimo Inferno and make your winter fishing trips unforgettable. Are you tired of constantly holding your fishing rod and getting your hands freezing? Look no further than the useful and affordable fishing accessory, the fishing rod stand made of 304 stainless steel, a material often used for cutlery, tools, and chimneys. This stand is sturdy and reliable. With no electronics, batteries, or complicated settings, you can easily set up your fishing rods in just a couple of minutes by following a simple tutorial. Thanks to the powerful and sensitive spring system, even small fish will trigger the rod. The stand folds down to 32 centimeters and weighs only 360 grams, making it easy to transport. Enjoy quiet fishing and keep your hands warm with the fishing rod stand. Get a pair for just $29. Looking for an innovative fishing float that will give you an edge over your competitors? Look no further. Simply install a camera and Wi-Fi support to sell your product for $66. Watch live broadcasts of the underwater world on your phone or tablet in HD 720p video at 30 FPS. With a 46-gram weight and micro SD card support, you can start your own fishing channel on YouTube. The device operates up to 100 meters and offers swimming goggles-like visibility. Just grab some AA batteries for 2 to 3 hours of use. Upgrade your fishing game with this revolutionary float and impress your peers. Looking for a real family fishing experience? The creators of this product, based in New Zealand, know a thing or two about fishing. In fact, in 2006, the country exported a whopping $1.3 billion worth of fish and seafood. Meet the red shark, designed to help even in bad weather. It's able to work in rough seas and currents while steadily keeping its course. With a range of 2,300 meters from the shore, it's perfect for even the most adventurous fishing trips. The settings are easy to understand, even for non-tech-savvy individuals, with the point-and-go system taking just seconds to set up. And if the battery dies while fishing, the shark will return by itself. Weighing only 12 kilograms with the batteries, the price starts at $2,550. Get ready for your next fishing adventure with the red shark. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.